Hello student, the continuation point for finding atomic packing factor in simple cubic lattice. The second factor we calculate, that is number of atoms per unit cell. For understanding this, we see the crystal lattice in which number of unit cell present. In one unit cell, consider at the corner atom corner of the unit cell one atom is present, indicated by yellow sphere, and this atom is shared by how many unit cell? 8 unit cell. So for part of one atom present in one unit cell is 1 by 8th part. Why? Because each corner atom present on unit cell is shared by 8 unit cell. Therefore, in simple cube, how many corner atoms are present? 8 corner atoms. And now we calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. N is equal to 1 by 8. How? The 1 by 8 part of atom is shared by 8 unit cell into how many corner atoms? 8 corner atoms. So 8 get cancelled, is equal to 1 atom per unit cell of simple cubic cell. It means in simple cubic cell, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 1. We consider as equation 2. Now the third step or factor, volume occupied by atom in unit cell. How we can calculate? The simple equation, V is equal to number of atoms per unit cell into volume of atom. So it is V is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of atom, the value is known or calculated, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is equation number 3. Now the last part, we find out atomic packing factor. For this, we know the definition of atomic packing factor. Volume occupied by atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, or very simple, the ratio of volume occupied by atom in unit cell with volume of unit cell. In simple way, it is indicated as APF is equal to N into V small v divided by capital V. But capital V we know as a volume of unit cell or cube is nothing but A cube. So put the value in this equation, we get atomic packing factor is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1 upon A cube. We solve this equation. So it is simple way, 4 pi r cube divided by 3A cube. Now by substituting A is equal to 2R, From the equation 1, we get a cube is equal to 8r cube. So put this value into above equation, we get atomic packing factor is equal to 4 pi r cube divided by 3 into 8r cube. So solve this equation. 4, 8 divided by 4, it is 2. So we get another equation. Atomic packing factor is equal to pi r cube divided by 3r cube. The r3 get cancelled. We get atomic packing factor is equal to pi upon 6. Put the value of pi, we get 3.14 divided by 6. We get the value is atomic packing factor is equal to 0.5233 is equal to 0.52 or 52% if multiplied by 100 percentage. So the concluding line, the atomic packing factor for simple cubic cell is 0.52 or 52%, and the unoccupied space simple voids present in simple cubic cell is equal to 100 minus 52 is equal to 48%. So we calculate or find out the atomic packing factor in simple cubic cell is 52%. Now see the next crystal lattice, that is to find out atomic packing factor in a body centered cubic lattice, simply called BCC lattice. What is this picture? It is again a simple cube or unit cell, but having difference with simple cubic cell. 8 corners present on unit cell occupied by 8 atoms or sphere, along with 1 atom present in the center of the cubic lattice, therefore called body centered cubic lattice. Now for the coordination number present in body centered cubic lattice, the nearest or maximum number of nearest neighbor of each sphere or atom is called coordination number. Here in body centered, the corner atoms is near to 6 atoms along the x, y, z axis, and 1 atom present inside the body of unit cell, and the second atom of body centered unit cell of other unit. So it become 8 atom near to the corner atoms. Therefore the coordination number in body centered cubic cell is 8.